Hi everyone, this is Satish Sharma from Sajes Bhuvneshwarpur district Surajpur. Here we gonna to learn about the dispersion of light. In this module, you will learn about the dispersion of light. Basically, when the light get dispersed means get refracted from rare to the denser medium. That is the part. Sometimes after the rain, we see rainbow with different colors in the sky. It looks spectacular, doesn't it? Do you know how a rainbow is formed? Basically, a rainbow is formed due to the phenomena of dispersion of light. To understand what dispersion of light, let us perform an activity. For the activity, you need a prism, a white sheet, and a cardboard with a small hole at its center place. The cardboard at the position such that the sunlight fall directly on it. Next, keep the prism such that the light passing through the hole of the cardboard falls on the surface of the prism. At the other end of the prism, fix the white sheet as soon as the sunlight passes through the prism. You will observe a beautiful band of color appearing on the white sheet. If you look at these colors of the band from the bottom, they are in the order violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. This sequence of colors can be remembered by the acronyms WIGGO. The light coming from the sun was white light. Are you wondering from where this beautiful band of color appearing actually? The white light consists of seven colors, namely violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red, which we saw as the band of color. When the white light coming from the sunlight falls on the prism, it split this incident white light into its constituent color. The splitting occurs because different colors of sunlight bend through different angles with respect to the incident ray. When they passes through the red light bends the least because it have high wavelength, less frequency, while the violet band the most was the rays of each color emerges along different paths and become distinctly visible. Thus, we are able to see the beautiful band of colors. This phenomena of splitting of white light into its constituent colors through a prism is known as dispersion of light. This is because the white light has different intensity of wavelength with their frequency. Thus, we can see in the trend we use the large tent because it has the wavelength maximum, so it does not scatter most, while the blue light is scattered least. This is first discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. Now that we have understand what the dispersion of light is, let's understand how it causes the formation of rainbow. A rainbow is generally formed when the sun appears just after it has rained. At this time, many water droplets are present in the air. When the sun passes through water droplets in the atmosphere, each water droplet acts like a small prism and reflects the incident sunlight as soon as the sunlight enters into the prism. That is the drop. It it is split into its constituent seven color figure within the drop. When this band strikes the each edge of the drop, it gets reflect, reflected internally. That is a part of total internal reflection towards the first edge of the drop. As band reaches the first edge, it gets refracted again and finally comes out of the drop. This band of colors, which finally comes out of the raindrop, is what we see as rainbow. A rainbow is always formed in the direction opposite to that of the sun, as the appearance of the rainbow in the sky is due to the dispersion of sunlight by the water droplets present in the atmosphere. Dispersion of light not only results in the formation of rainbow, but we can see this effect in the day-to-day life as well. For example, the beautiful band of color we observe in water, fountains, soap, bubbles, CDs, or due to the dispersion of light. Let's recap. White light consists of seven colors, namely violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Its acronyms we give. The phenomena of splitting of white light into its constituent colors through a prism is known as dispersion of light, and the band of constituent color is known as spectrum. Formation of a rainbow and beautiful band of colors observed in water fountains, soap bubbles, CDs, etc. are all due to the dispersion of light. Thanks a lot.